Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, you've already celebrated Christmas and you have brought in the new year. And with that new year, you have possibly set yourself up for disappointment by hoping that you become a new you. We're here today to tell you that you are not going to become a new person after the new year.
Like who you are. You are you. You can't change you.
You're not gonna change.
You can't change. Why change? Be you.
You may have gotten a gym membership.
Then go.
But you're not going to.
But if you don't go,
it's okay.
Like yourself.
You weren't gonna go anyway. You might have gotten bangs.
Bangs.
Hair bangs.
And bangs are cool.
They're gonna grow out. You might have gotten a journal and you're going to bullet journal now. Do you know what bullet journaling is?
No.
It's for people with entirely too much time on your hands. It is too hard to explain. I will show a graphic.
Okay.
You're not gonna do that either, okay? Yeah. You're not gonna do that.
And for
let's just say you got a juicer.
Yeah, I would like a juicer.
You're not gonna clean that juicer.
No, sometimes.
The hard part about having a juicer is cleaning it. You're never gonna use it.
Mm-hmm. No, but a lot of people do the gym thing. A lot of people do the gym thing.
You're gonna get a fitness tracker.
Now,
let me tell you something.
That bicycle
I got a fitness tracker about 2 months ago, and the battery's dead. It's on my dresser, and I never use it. You're not gonna run on trails. You're not gonna recycle. You're not gonna stick to a diet.
You know what?
You're not gonna pressure wash your driveway more when it gets dirty. You're not gonna walk the dog even. You're just gonna open the door and let him poop all over the yard. You're not gonna scoop the poop. You're not gonna do anything. You're not gonna meditate more. Don't get disappointed that you haven't turned into Cindy Crawford by January 2nd because you wanted to start a new diet and a lifestyle, okay?
You're right, you're right.
Right?
You're right, you're right.